Hello guys, we will create a splash screen in Android. Here is the example for the splash screen, and here is the guideline. Here are 5 steps. Okay, first step is create a new project with splash activity. Okay, start new activity. Here is the Android Studio. Click empty activity. Next, splash activity. Package, no need to change. And the location, and I put it here, and then I create one folder for it. Splash activity. Click OK. OK. Finish. Wait a second. Second step, create a logo for the splash screen. Then click add icon. The logo for, so you can check here, smiling face, face, tag faces. Click OK, change the color. Okay. Next, finish. Okay. So right now we already create a logo. So okay, cool. Design the splash screen. In order to design the splash screen, we need to create a splash screen activity first. Activity, empty activity, splash activity. Yeah, finish. Go to manifest, change the intent filter, move it to splash activity, because we want it to want the splash activity to run first. After that, go to Gradle. For the splash activity, we need to remove the toolbar theme. Theme app compact light, no action bar. This one, it will be remove the toolbar. After that, let design a splash screen control. Okay. The background is yellow. For the color, it's here. I already. Okay. Can change it like this. It's become yellow. Image. (100 dp). Source, the location. I see text black. Okay. It should be in the center. Drag it. Sorry. I want it center of the screen. So it should be center. The second, I need a progress bar. What is the color of the progress bar? White. Progress bar. 90 dp. Also 90 dp. but yeah. Yeah, it should be center, and I want to change the color in the theme. The color is white. Okay, and what else? Title, take view, wrap content, take color white, take code review, the text size 2220p, close, and it should be under the logo. You can change here, 20dp to distance. Okay, I think it's done for the splash screen. So check the guideline, create intent, create intent and define time when to navigate to main screen and copy finish. This one already done. So go to splash activity. Okay, I will use a new handler, post delay, new on the board, and how many seconds you want to navigate to the main activity. I think 2 seconds. 2 seconds, and start activity new intent, and okay, need contact and the class name. Use this one, splash. The screen you want to navigate is main activity dot class, and don't forget to call finish, because if you don't call finish, when you press the back button you will see the splash screen activity finish. So I think it should be done. Okay, let's run. Okay, so here is the result. Thank you everyone. Please hit the subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.